Good morning everyone. It's my honor to stand here and extend my heartiest welcome to you all on the occasion of Independence Day. Today, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, India got finally independence from British rule. For the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted India's flag on the Red Fort. Since then, India celebrates Independence Day across the nation. And lastly, I wish you happy Independence Day to you all, and without any pause, let's start the celebration. Now, I would like to invite Reverend Father, Sister Victima, our staff secretary, and our head boy and head girl for the lighting of lamp.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, Lord, for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, oh, that today they might fall. Now as to God we're confessing, now as on Jesus we call. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops from the sky falling, Lord, for the showers we plead.
Reverend Sister Trisa John, the principal, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, dear parents and my dear students. India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day amidst ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. To avoid the social gathering and the spread of corona, we too decided to have this celebration online. Dear friends, many great people were born in our country who did not care about their lives but worked together and fought for freedom by sacrificing their life. And we know the most important contribution for the independence of our country, it was made by Mahatma Gandhi. आओ झुककर सलाम करें उन्हें जिनकी जिंदगी में मुकाम आया है, किस कदर कुछ नसीब है वो लोग जिनका लहू भारत का काम आया है. A well-known Gandhian, Dr. Usha Mehta once said, our struggle for freedom carries on as long as there is injustice and inequality anywhere in the country. Dear friends, the great message this annual celebration of Independence Day gives us is the virtue of interdependence. Independence and interdependence are connected each other, correlated. Let's ask ourselves, are we living self-centered lives or are we concerned about others? We may look different, speak different languages, and follow different customs and traditions. Yet, every single person is unique. Hence, it is important that being aware of our differences, we accept and admit each other in love. Friends, Jesus Christ is a role model for breaking oneself for others. He was bread broken for others. He sacrificed his life for the humanity. Nourished by the bread of life and filled with God's wisdom, we must allow ourselves to be broken for the sake of others. Be at the service of others and use our freedom to make others free. Jai Hind.
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, हो हो काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है. कुछ और ना आता है हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है. जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, हो हो जीते हो किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है. जहाँ राम अभी तक है, नर में नारी में अभी तक सीता है. इतने पावन है लोग जहाँ, इतने पावन है लोग जहाँ, मैं नित नित शीस झुकाता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, हो हो धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया। ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रिय जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रिय जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रिय जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रिय जहाँ की रीत सदा। थैंक यू।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। सरफरोशी की
Good morning, Reverend Father, respected Sister Principal, sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I, Anshika Chauhan of class 10A,
I, Rahul Rawat of class 10th A,
are standing here to express our views on the Day of Independence. We feel so proud to have a chance to speak about our nation.
First of all, we wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we are here to celebrate this auspicious occasion. This was a day in 1947 when we got freedom from the clutches of British rule.
We are fortunate that our forefathers have fought for us. They gave us a land of peace. A peaceful life that we all are living is just because of their sacrifices. So many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, and many others devoted their whole life in the service of nation.
Today, India is the largest democracy in the world, and we are one of the fastest emerging economic in the world and developing rapidly in the field of science and technology, education, sports, and many others. And surely, which couldn't be possible without any freedom.
So at the end, I would like to say that we must feel proud to be an Indian. Do not forget, they sacrificed their lives to get us freedom. And now, it's our time to take oath and do something significant for our country.
What we are now and what we have to do now is all given to us by our forefathers. Now we have to ask ourselves that what we are going to give our upcoming generation. So let's celebrate this day with joy and remember all those who sacrificed their lives for this day. So never let the flag down. Never tear it. Freedom is important, so protect it. देश सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक जान में जान है. With this conclusion, we end our speech. Thank you everyone and once again a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।